Before buying oil for your Honda lawn mower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Some oils might look great on the surface, but can actually fall short when it comes to performance and protection. Product number 1, SDP Premium Small Engine Oil. First up is the SDP Premium Small Engine 4-Cycle Oil, SAE 10W30. Priced at $13.99, this oil caught my attention because it's a bestseller with over 3,100 reviews, and it's bought more than 10,000 times in just the past month. If you want reliable engine care and reduced wear, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This oil is formulated for small engines, making it perfect for your Honda lawn mower. The all-weather formula means it's effective in both hot summer days and chilly autumn mornings. Plus, its anti-wear technology reduces engine wear and oil consumption, which is crucial for keeping your mower running smoothly. The antioxidants fight thermal breakdown, helping maintain performance even under high temperatures. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to generic brands. Here's the thing though, the quality and protection this oil offers can save you money in the long run by preventing costly engine repairs. For those who prioritize engine health, it's a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated lawn care enthusiast who needs reliable performance. Skip this one if you're just looking for the cheapest option without considering quality. Overall, I think it offers great value for your money. Now, if the price of the SDP oil bothered you, the next one is a fantastic alternative that might suit your needs even better. Product number 2, SDP Premium Small Engine Oil Pack of 2. Next, we have the SDP Premium Small Engine Oil, but this time in a pack of 2 for $27.98. This option also has a 4.8-star rating and is a great choice if you tend to go through oil quickly. If your mower is in heavy use, this could be a reliable choice. The dual pack ensures you always have oil on hand when you need it, which is a big plus for active users. Like the previous SDP oil, it features all-weather protection and helps reduce engine wear. The added benefit is the convenience of having a second bottle ready, so you're never caught off guard. Some users mentioned that they didn't see a noticeable difference between this and the single pack. But honestly, if you're using your mower regularly, having an extra bottle on hand can save you time and hassle. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend warrior tackling big lawns or gardens. Skip this one if you're a casual user who mows only occasionally. Value-wise, it's a smart buy for consistent lawn care. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer brand-specific products. Product number 3. Honda 821310 W30 Oil 12 Oz. Now let's switch gears to the Honda 821310 W30 Oil in a 12 Oz bottle priced at $9.48. What drew me to this product is that it's genuine OEM oil from Honda, which means it's specifically designed for their machines. If you want that perfect fit for your mower, this is worth a serious look. This 12 Oz size is great for those who do lighter mowing or need to top off. It's straightforward, effective, and ensures your mower gets the right lubrication without any guesswork. However, some users express disappointment with the smaller bottle size, feeling it doesn't last long enough for frequent users. But here's the thing, if you're someone who only mows occasionally, this is the perfect size to avoid waste. This is perfect for you if you own a Honda mower and prefer using manufacturer-recommended products. Skip this one if you have a larger lawn and need something that lasts longer. For the price, it's a solid choice for occasional maintenance. If you want something more substantial, the next product is a 2-pack that offers even more quantity. Product number 4, Honda Motor Oil WQT Pack of 2. Next up, we have the Honda Motor Oil W available as a pack of 2 quarts for $24.99. This option is highly rated with over 3,200 reviews, which means a lot of users trust it. If you want maximum protection for your engine investment, this is worth a serious look. This genuine Honda oil is specifically formulated for high-revving 4-stroke engines, which means it's tailored to deliver peak performance for your mower. The unique blend of additives helps resist viscosity and thermal breakdown, ensuring that your mower runs smoothly during those hot summer days. It exceeds all API service classifications, so you know you're getting the best. Now, some users pointed out that the price is a bit steep compared to generic oils. But honestly, investing in high-quality oil can extend the life of your mower, which ultimately saves you money on repairs over time. This is perfect for you if you're serious about maintaining your Honda mower and want the best protection. Skip this one if you're just mowing a small patch of grass occasionally. It's a worthwhile investment for regular users who care about their equipment. Now, if you want a more budget-friendly option, I've got just the thing for you. Product number 5. Honda Power Equipment 10W30 Motor Oil. Finally, we have the Honda Power Equipment 10W30 Motor Oil in a 1-quart bottle priced at $12.99. This oil is formulated specifically for Honda gasoline engines and has a solid 4.8-star rating from over 1,000 reviews. If you want something that meets Honda's quality standards, this is worth a serious look. The 1-quart size is convenient for quick changes, and it's designed to ensure optimal engine performance while reducing wear and tear. The flash point is around 200 degrees Celsius, meaning it can handle heat without breaking down. However, some users reported they wish it came in larger quantities. But look, if you're someone who doesn't mow frequently or wants to ensure fresh oil every time, this size is perfect. This is perfect for you if you own a Honda mower and want a quality oil that ensures a long engine life. Skip this one if you need more oil for bigger jobs. For its price, it delivers solid value for Honda owners. So to wrap things up, we covered the SDP Premium Small Engine Oil, the SDP Dual Pack, Honda 8213 10W30, the Honda Motor Oil Pack of 2, and the Honda Power Equipment Oil. Each has its strengths, whether it's reliability, convenience, or brand trust. Choose one that fits your lawn care needs best.